Okay, no? So the performance of the other act, no? It must be indispensable to commit the crime. So ibig po sabihin ng indispensable kung wala yung ibig sabihin niyan kung wala yung ano no, kung wala yung act na to nung principal, the crime would not have been accomplished. If the act of this person, no, is hindi indispensable, no? So dispensable siya, no? Yung cooperation niya hindi po indispensable. So the crime would also be committed with or without his support, with or without his cooperation, with or without his help. Ang tawag po diyan, accomplice. Okay. So ano po ang pinagkaiba ulit ng principal? Ayusin natin, no? Ano po ang pinagkaiba ng accomplice at saka ng principal by indispensable cooperation? Tandaan po natin in both scenarios, participation lang po sila in the criminal resolution. Hindi sila dapat yung isa sa mga tao na nag-form ng conspiracy. Kasi pag sila nag-form, principal sila. So in both scenarios po, excuse me, ano lang sila, concur lang sila. They participated, they concurred in the criminal resolution. Doon po sa indispensable cooperation, yung cooperation indispensable. Without the cooperation, the crime would not have been committed. Sa accomplices po, sa accomplice, no, may participation in the criminal resolution din, but the cooperation is dispensable. Tandaan po natin yan. May tulong niya o wala, makukomit pa din ng crime. Pero tumulong siya. Ganon, no? So, community of design, ibig pa sabihin yan, may participation ulit in the commission, may participation ulit in the criminal resolution. No? The accomplice knows of the design of the principal and concurs with the principal. Okay? Cooperation, the accomplice cooperates in the execution of the crime by previous or simultaneous acts. In both scenarios po, cooperation lang sila. Hindi dapat sila yung direct participant. Hindi dapat sila yung material executor. Okay? And there is a relation between the acts by the principal and the acts by the accomplice. No? May relasyon. No? Community of design. No? The accomplice must merely concur with the criminal design of the principal. Merely participated in the criminal resolution. Same po ng approach as principal by indispensable cooperation. No? If he came to an agreement with the principal concerning the commission of a felony and decide to commit it, conspirator po, principal yan. How is knowledge acquired? Malamang may knowledge ka, tapos you concurred, you participated in the criminal resolution. When the principal informs or tells the accomplice of the former's criminal purpose, example, goon. Yung goon po, hindi siya principal. Conspirator ang goon. Diba? Sa mga pelikula ni FPJ, si Paquito Diaz, may mga goons. Yung mga goons po na yon, hindi sila yung conspirator. Ang conspirator, yung mga kasama, yung mga mga mastermind, si Paquito Diaz, no, yung mga alagad, yung right hand niya, yung mga conspirator yan, no? Sino ba yung mga yan? Si Dick Israel. Sila Dick Israel. Yung mga yan, sila Dick Israel yan, si Paquito Diaz sila. Pero yung mga random as na mga goons lang, sila, hindi sila principal, no? Accomplice lang po sila. No? How is knowledge acquired? When the accomplice or the acts of the principal. Pero normally po yung knowledge na yan sa inform, kaya matatanong dyan. Informs or tells. No? The community of design need not be the same as the crime actually committed. It is sufficient that the crime actually committed was a natural and probable consequence of the intended crime. Okay. However, when the owner of the gun knew that it would be used to kill a particular person and the principal used it to kill another person, the owner of the gun is not an accomplice as to the killing of the other person. Why? Kasi hindi po natural and gano'n naman, ikot lang tayo. Kasi hindi po natural and probable consequence. Na iba pala gagamitin, dito lang pinag-agreehan natin. O, sige, gamitin mo tong baril na to kay Juan, kay Pedro ginamit. No? Diba? Okay. Wag na natin pahirapan pa sa mga mistake in the blow. Paano pag ang binaril, si Juan, kay Pedro tumama? Wag na natin pahirapan pa. Kasi pag po nagkaroon ng mistake in the blow, magkakaroon pa tayo ng complex crime na siya. Article 48. So, wag na muna natin pahirapin. Basta ganun, no? Kay Juan dapat gagamitin, kay Pedro ginamit, hindi accomplice yung nagpahiram ng baril. Okay? Huwag na nating pa-complicated pa, no? Muna. Okay? Sige, move tayo no, sa mga further topics sa cooperation, o, di ba? Previous acts. An example of cooperation by previous act is the lending of a dagger or pistol to the murderer, knowing the latter's criminal purpose. Pinahiram yung baril, patayin si ganun, pinahiram. Okay. Previous act. Simultaneous acts. An example is when the offender holds one of the hands of the victim and tried to take away the victim's revolver while his co-defendant was stabbing him. Okay, so cooperation din yan. Okay? Material aid, this means external acts such as serving as a lookout. Moral aid, ang labo ng moral aid. Basta advice or encouragement daw. Okay, he must know that the principal is going to commit the crime. Okay? However, if the advice or encouragement was already the determining cause of the crime, becomes principal by inducement. Okay, so sige, sapakin mo pa. Ayan, mga ganyan daw, no? Moral aid siya. No? Kapag sa mismo nag-utos, aba, principal ka na. Okay? The wounds inflicted by the accomplice in crimes against person should not have caused the death of the victim. Okay? Why? Kasi pag siyang, sabihin natin, si Paquito Diaz ulit, example, at saka yung mga goons. Pag yung mga goons ang nakapatay kay FPJ, kung mapapatay man si FPJ sa pelikula, we cannot say na itong goon na nakapatay is just an accomplice. Why? Hindi na kasi cooperation yung nangyari. Di ba? Direct participation na yun sa nakapatay. Di ba? See? The reason is, if he inflicted the fatal blow dun sa victim, he did not merely cooperate. He becomes a direct participant. Di ba? Relation, it is not enough that a person entertains an identical criminal design as that of the principal. There must be a relation between the criminal act of the principal and the accomplice. Hindi na important yan. Mas important yung dalawang requisites natin tinakil. Yung community of design at saka yung cooperation by previous or simultaneous acts. No? Principal by direct participation, indispensable cooperation, accomplice. So, direct participation, direct part in the execution of the crime. Cooperation by performing another act without which the crime would not have been committed. Accomplice, cooperation is not indispensable by previous or simultaneous acts. Okay, so sa next video po natin, tackle natin yung accessories. No? Separate na natin yung accessories sa video natin ngayon. Okay. Thank you. See you next video.